viewers. Good afternoon, my friends on YouTube, family members. Right, like I said, I was going to cook super kanja today. I'll show you everything on a short video, which I'm going to post on YouTube. You're going to see it. All the ingredients are prepared. I make a fry, right, I boil my meat because it takes a long time to boil the meat for the super kanja. It's called spinach and okra soup. That's what ganja mean, in Africa, because in the UK we use spinach. So this is already done with the palm oil. So what you do, my okra been blended with my ingredients, and I got half okra here, which is chopped. So what do you do? First, you put this one. And you put your spinach. It's chopped spinach, yeah? From the tin. It's very quick to be cooked. When you're cooking, it's really, really quick. So you mix all your ingredients, yeah. Because of the water I put before is a tiny bit of water. So what you do, because of I boil the kettle already, remember when you put all these things there, all the ingredients, always they produce a lot of juice. So you don't want to put too much, because when it's overcooked, all your meat and lamb is going to dissolve. So you don't want that. So you want your super kanja to be whole, not like dismantled. And then you put this one there. So now it's a job of mixing everything together. Now this point, I'm going to put a tiny bit of palm oil before I add the water. Because I mismeasure my pineapple, okay? Not pineapple, Hawaii, palm oil. See how it's going now? Super kanja? There you go. So this water is just to cook every single ingredients I put here. A little bit of water. So now I'm gonna leave this to steam up for the water to get dry. Now what I need is palm oil and with the ingredients, and call it super kanja left. Then I'll take a short video. I'll show you how I did it. Then I can supply you guys on YouTube. Subscribe it, like it, love it, and always, my brothers and sisters, always share it. We are Gambians. We share the food and we share our lives together. I love you all, guys. Safe chat.